Do you want to be a certified makeup artist? Do you not have time to go to a physical location and learn how to do makeup? Are you flexible? Do you want to pursue your professional makeup journey? Or do you just want to do makeup for yourself and your friends and have fun? If the answers to all those questions are yes, then you're in the right place. Keep watching this video because I have a really good find and a new surprise for you guys. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nima, and in this channel we post about styling and fashion videos. But today's video is different. It's not about fashion, it's not about styling, but it is about beauty. We all love to look beautiful. We're all beautiful in our own ways, but sometimes some makeup does something more, like it just empowers you more, and we know everybody wants to be like a makeup artist. Now for those that have started with me from my first day posting a first YouTube video, you guys know I started my channel as a beauty and fashion content creator, and I really love like doing makeup. Like I have a lot of like makeup products. I just love doing it. Like I used to do it a lot. I don't do it that much now, but I used to do it a lot. So I started my channel based off doing lifestyle, fashion, and beauty content. And so I was doing makeup tutorials, reviewing palettes. Like I'll leave some links to the videos like on the screen so you guys can go see it. I do not do that anymore because I felt like I was not good enough. Like I was good but not good enough, and I was like, you know, like looking at these other influencers doing like, you know, full glam and their stuff looks professional, it looks so nice. It kind of discouraged me a little bit. I was like, I'm just doing basic things, like, you know, whatever. But so I kind of just narrowed my niche down to just fashion. That's why we're sticking up to here. But I still like do some beauty videos here and there. Like if I get anything to share with you guys, I'm down for it. So that's the little background, just so I guess you know like why she's doing beauty videos. You know, we're going back to the roots, But yeah, that's besides the point. So in this video today, I'm gonna talk about Makeup Online Academy. I started this course because I don't necessarily want to be like, you know, a professional makeup artist and do makeup on people. I just want to do makeup on myself. And if I get an opportunity, then I have that certificate in me. You always want to get, you know, any certifications. It just builds up your portfolio and stuff like that. I mean, if it's something you're not looking for, you don't know what the future holds. So I was blessed to have an opportunity to start my makeup classes, my makeup journey at Online Makeup Academy. They are makeup professional trainers that, you know, like train people to become like, you know, professional makeup artists. And you also get a certificate, like an actual makeup artist certificate by the time you complete your course. So you can actually go out there and tell everybody like, you know, I'm actually a makeup artist, and you can actually be accredited and do like makeup on people, and they're going to trust you because you have that certification. But yeah, so I started my course on this academy. They are based in New York City, and they're like really accredited professional staff. Like it's professional trainers are going to train you how to do your makeup. Now in the course I had, they have like courses on makeup and hair, so I chose makeup. I almost went to the hair, but I was like, I'm not really confident on that because I can only do my own hair and I have locks. But yeah, so I was like, let me go to makeup. So I chose the makeup course, and it is really super detailed. Like this is a really detailed kind of like course that you take at your own pace, and that's another benefit because they do have a physical location in New York City if you want to do that. But a lot of people, like especially during the COVID, a lot of people didn't have that chance, and even now people like feel more comfortable just learning something in the comfort of their home. So this is an online section that they have. You can do the same thing online just as how you would have been taught in person. And so yeah, I tried mine online because, you know, I live in Michigan. I cannot, you know, go to New York to do that. So I'm in Michigan and I can still do the same things that they're teaching people in person. Like it's like, no, you're not missing anything. You know, it's just like you're doing it at your own pace. So yeah, it's just an open course. Do your payment, you enroll, and then of course you get access to your course. And after you get access to your course, like they have like a lot of like list of how they're gonna, you know, start training you. You're gonna get a welcome video, like just to start, like, you know, somebody's actually gonna make a video just for you, like it's a personalized video. This is how real and serious it is. So they're just gonna welcome you. Like I got my personal like, you know, welcome video. I'll try to insert it if I can.
Hi Nima, welcome to Online Makeup Academy. My name is Alona and I'm a tutor here. So I'll be seeing your work, your progress, and giving you tips on how you can improve. I'm super excited for you, Nima, to be on this journey, and I can't wait to see your work. Bye for now.
But it was just really something nice, and they felt like connected to my, like, you know, my trainer. And it's a lot of trainers that are gonna train. It's not just one person. Like everybody specializes in different things, like eyes, like faces, like, you know, brows, like stuff like that, lips. So you're gonna have like different people, but you're always gonna have this one person, like, you know, your tutor. You're always gonna submit your feedbacks to them. Follow the courses, they'll show you the tutorial, like, you know, do this and do that, like, you know, one-on-one stuff like that. And then you can actually practice on yourself, or like if you have a mannequin, or if you have your friend you want to practice on, or if you have a client client you want to practice on, you can do that and you'll submit your videos and you'll get actual feedback. Do this, maybe change this, and you go ahead and revise what you learned and then submit it again, and then they'll like keep giving you feedback until like you have that perfection and you're really confident in yourself, and you can just go ahead and do makeup to people without somebody watching or over your back. So you're never gonna be alone. If you have any questions, like you can always ask questions, and the course is like a lifetime course. So like even when you finish like all your courses and you've done all your certification, you can still go back. Let's be real, like nobody remembers stuff, so like of course you're gonna forget stuff. So if you're out there, you just forgot something like, oh my god, how do I do these eyes, what type of eyes are there, like what type of faces are there, what type of facial shape, you can always go back to that course. Even in like 10 years after, 15 years after, you can always go back to that course and still refer back to what they taught you. So like it's always gonna be there, like this information is gonna be there. So in my course personally, I'm in the I think eyes shape, like, and there are a lot of like different eye shape, and it was like really interesting, like just to know. I was like, oh my god, it's like closed eye shape, like open eye shape, and they tell you like what makeup style goes well with those eye shapes. So that was something that really stood out to me, because I was like, I just thought like it's just hooded eyes and non-hooded eyes. Even that, there's like closeness and like farness of the eye, so like all those like affect how the makeup's gonna look on your client. So those were really good things. So I'm in the eyes section right now. It's not like I didn't go too much, but it is a really detailed, so I feel like I'm still gonna go, but I just wanted to come out here and tell you guys that this course is really good and it's been doing really good for me. And just to mention, like this course is like for beginners. So going in this course, you're not gonna expect to be like full glam, like the stuff that you see on Instagram and TikTok, people doing like full glam, super beautiful people. No, it's not that. Like this is to teach you from the basics, like what goes behind what you see on Instagram. The 15-second video you see on Instagram, it's a lot going on, and those people are professional artists, and this is the course they went through. They had to go to get certified, so they're gonna teach you like all the basics, like prepping, sanitization, like stuff that you wouldn't even think. I just thought I was gonna like start my course and be like, okay, this is how to do like a smoked like cat eye. No, like you start from the basic, doing natural, like learning face shapes, like learning where to put concealer. Some people you're not even supposed to contour people's faces. I always thought you have to contour your face, no matter like who you are, like how your face looks like. This is like basic information to build you to go to like an actual full glam makeup. They also have like more than one course. They have the basic, and they have like super professional one, and then also have like those artistry, like those like 3D, like they have those courses too. So but I recommend just starting from here, unless you already know the basics and you want to just up your game, then you can do other courses as well. Feel free to do that. I also link their courses on my description below. You also get like $100 off if you use my link, and I'll put a code for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and pursue your dreams, just as how I'm doing mine. How I started my YouTube channel, I didn't really like how I was doing my makeup. I feel like I was basic, and now I got this opportunity to actually do makeup. So I'm actually gonna take the course and actually do it and like be really into it, so I can actually like be like, oh my god, I'm back to doing makeup, and maybe I'm gonna be doing makeup videos after that again, who knows. And some other benefits that you get from this course, apart from this being a lifetime access, you can always access it, that you get a tutor, like a one-on-one person tutor that's gonna get like one-on-one feedbacks. You also get like 40% off like brands that they work with, and they work like with big brands like NYX, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, they like Huda Beauty, like those are like really good brands that we know of. So they work with them this course too, and so if you're a student in their course, you get 40% off those products. And on top of that, you also get a kit that comes with your course, and that is not a discount. You just get it when you register for the course. You get an actual a starter kit, which includes like all the brushes you need, like all the stuff that you need to do your makeup. Like it is awesome, you guys. Like it's a lot of brushes, like it's a lot of brushes that you get in there that you didn't even know you needed, but you're gonna get the whole set. So like there is no excuse to be like, I don't have these. They sent you like your makeup brushes, like, and all the kit for you to do it at your own house. You're doing it at your own home, at your own pace. Nobody's pushing you. You can do this in like in 1 month, you can do it like in 2 weeks, you can do it in like a year, like half a year. Like it's just with your own pace. When you're done, you're done. Like if you still just need to go back and refer to some things, you can always do that. Like it's not like timed or anything. So I feel like it's a really convenient thing for people that don't have time to go to a physical location and do that, or like they just need their own time and their own like pace. Because again, if you're joining the basic course, it means like you're a beginner and you need to learn more. So you don't want to go out there and like be in public, doing the makeup, and everybody be like, oh my god, what is she doing? We all want to be like in our own bubble and be like, nobody's gonna judge me here. That's why you have to do the online course. So that is about it. I like a lot about this online makeup academy, something really valuable that I thought I would share with you guys, because I'm also taking it. So I hope you guys join me in this course, and like if you want to pursue something, if you want to try them out, by all means go ahead and do that. As again I mentioned, they have different courses on there, like from beginner to like advanced to like intermediate. Like it just depends. They also have hair, like if you don't want to do makeup, they have like hair, how to do hair. They cover all skin types, all skin tones, all ages, no experiences required, like because it's something like either you're doing it just for fun or you're doing it to have a career. So like there is no limitations really. And again, I'll leave all the information in the description below, and I'll leave the code for you guys so you can get like, you know, something off of your first course, and you get an actual certificate that has your name and all your stuff that you completed the makeup artist. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'm gonna answer your questions because I already have the access to it, so probably no questions. And if you have any concerns, just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them according to what I know from me starting my own course. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram pages, follow my TikToks, all my social medias, connect with me, let's be friends. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I can. And that's it guys. Have a great night, have a good day from wherever you are. Bye.